In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a short text question to your Typeform form on desktop. We'll move through the process step by step so you can follow along without guessing. First, open your web browser on your PC. Any modern browser works well. Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari on desktop will do. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so your changes save properly. Now go to typeform.com by typing the address directly into your browser's address bar. You should land on the official Typeform site. If you see the secure padlock in the address bar, you're in the right place. Next, log into your Typeform account. Use your usual credentials and sign in like you normally do. Once you're in, you'll arrive at your workspace or dashboard where your forms are listed. Open your form. Find the form you want to edit in the list and click it to launch the form builder. If you have many forms, you can scan the titles to spot the correct one. When the builder opens, you'll see your existing questions laid out in order. Click the plus add content button. This is your gateway to inserting new elements into the form. It usually appears in the builder where you want to place the new question, and you can add it right after the currently selected question. From the list of options, choose short text. Short text is perfect for brief, one-line answers, things like names, short labels, or quick identifiers. It keeps responses tidy and easy to review. In the question field, type your prompt. A great example is, "What is your name?" You can also write a custom prompt that fits your form's purpose. Keep it clear and direct so respondents know exactly what to provide. If you're collecting names, consider a friendly tone, like, "Please tell us your name, but stay concise to avoid confusion." Finally, click Save. This stores your new short text question in the form. You should see it appear in your question list, ready for respondents to answer. That's it. You've successfully added a short text question to your Typeform form. Following these steps ensures your form captures quick, clean responses exactly where you need them. If you're continuing to build out your form, repeat the same process to add more short text prompts wherever short answers make the most sense.